In this video, I am going to show you how to delete all images in ChatGPT. Of course, there are some methods to do it. First method, as an example, is to delete a generated image. You can open ChatGPT, go to the list bar, and click on Images. Here, at the bottom, you will find My Images, and from there, you will find all the images generated by ChatGPT. You can simply just click on the image that you want and click on Remove at the top right. Once you click on it, you'll be able, or the generated image will then be removed from My Image. As simple as that. But if you have a lot of generated images, deleting every conversation one by one takes a long time. ChatGPT has an option to delete all chats under settings. So you'll have to go to the Slips panel, click on your name, and go to settings. From there, you'll find yourself in the option right here. So from here, we'll have to look for data controls. Here's it. Just go and click on it. Once you go to all of that, here you will find an example, your location, shared links, archive chats, archive all chats, delete all chats, and export data. So what you'll have to do is simply click on delete all chats. Of course, this will delete all the images created and also all the chats. So it does not only delete your image conversations, it deletes all your chats, including normal conversations and chats inside the projects. So don't use this method if you have conversations that you want to keep. Or you can export some conversations before you delete that, and then you can, as example, delete. And last method is basically to delete images from library. ChatGPT now has a library of files that you've uploaded or created. On this list panel again, you'll have to go and click on library. Once you go there, you will find as an example your images. So you'll have to select the image that you want to remove and click on this three dots and click on delete. As you can see, I do have this check option. You can check all the images using this button at the top. Let me just go and create another image to show you. So I just created here some few images. Let me just go back to library. And as you can see here, if I want to delete all images, I can go just to this left option on the left of name, click on it, and it will select all my images. From there, I can basically click on download, move, or delete. If you want to remove some images from the images that you want to delete, as an example, let me just remove this one and keep these two. You can select the images that you want to delete, click on delete, and as you can see, these files will be removed to recently deleted and deleted permanently after 30 days. So the images will remain in recently deleted, but it will stay there for 30 days. After that, they will be permanently deleted from your account. So the best method basically will depend on you. If you're trying to clean up a few generated image, you can use, or you can go browse the images and click on each one that you want to delete and delete it. If you want to delete all, this is the best option if you don't want to delete the chats with it. And if you want to just select the one that you want to delete, you can even use the library from. That's how you delete all images from ChatGPT. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.